Hello guys, I want to show you a short video about the passive balancing system of the new scooter battery pack. Via thermal camera we can see how the resistors work as load to equalize parallel cells. As you can see on the left, for some reason it has a resistor that is turned off. This happens because the voltage of the first cell simply has not reached the activation voltage level, which starts usually from 4.1 volts. And this was a reason this particular battery came to my workshop for repair. Now, the easiest way to balance this particular battery is to connect an adjustable power supply set at 71.4 volts, which is the maximum battery voltage for the 17S, and current to 100 mA, and connect it to the main power cables of the battery, or on the main terminals. By doing that, the batteries which are above than 4.1 volts will receive a load by the passive balance system. With results, the voltages will remain stable. The battery that is below than 4.1 volts will charge normally, without receiving a load from the passive balancing system, reaching the same voltages as the other batteries. But note that this process will need a very long time,